Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the tax report. So this is the report that I recommend going to if you're just needing to get like your sales and your liquid tax, especially for the year. This is the one I recommend going to. Now I'm on the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. The menu icon here at the top, and then went to reports. That's the one called taxes. Now you can also view this from the workstation. In most of these reports, not all of them, but most of these will show up on the workstation as well. All you need to do is go to the menu icon up here at the top right once you sign in, and then go to the reports button. And then all those reports are going to show up there on the left hand side, just like on the admin portal. As usual, we have the export over here if you need to export to PDF or CSV. And then we have the print option here, so you can print it off. And we have the date ranges here. You can use the side arrows to go from day to day, or you can click on the date range here in the middle, and it will pull up your calendar. You've got quick buttons here on the calendar if you just want to view yesterday, or last 7 days, last week, last month, this month. Or you can select what dates or date ranges you want by just selecting the numbers. So like if I just wanted to report from the 11th, I could just click 11th and hit run. I can also choose ranges that way by clicking on the first day and then clicking again on the second day, and we'll do that range. That's how you would do a year-to-date report as well. So we can go January 1st, go to March 21st, and it will choose that date range. We'll hit run. Now the rest of these down here, most people are either just going to have sales tax, or they're going to have sales tax and liquor tax, just depending on your establishment. Now there's not a whole lot to do in here. It's pretty cut and dry. You've got the name of your taxes over here. You've got how much was collected. You have now this will show inclusive. So if you're doing any inclusive taxes, which sometimes bars do that, but outside of that, it's not very common. But that would show up there, and then your total would be over here. Now you can select these and drill down on them a little bit if you want to interact with any of them. You can drill down and, I want to see this ticket. I don't know why you would necessarily do that starting from the sales tax, but it is there. It is an option. And that's pretty much all there is to this one. Like I said, pretty cut and dry, but I hope this was helpful. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.